I've also been doing some work behind the scenes, creating a series of 3D assets or greeblies that can be purchased and downloaded, so you can use them on all of your science fiction related projects. I currently have over 60 individual greeblies available, which I have put into 3 packs: square panels, rectangular panels, and circular panels or buttons. Each pack contains an assortment of assets in different formats, so you can edit them and then either 3D print them for physical models or import them into a 3D package and use them as digital assets as well. And you can use them for personal or commercial projects. Each asset pack is available separately. However, if you want access to all of the assets, you can purchase the bumper value box containing every asset in all 3 packs. All of these asset packs are available through my Buy Me a Coffee page. The link is down in the description below. But wait, there's more. If you want to save money on these asset packs, then sign up to become a member on my page as well. Not only will you get early access to any new videos I post on this channel, but you'll also get behind the scenes images and other information as well. On top of that, all of my members get discounts on any items that I sell in my Buy Me a Coffee page shop. If you don't want to become a member, that's fine. You can simply make a donation, and all donations are very much appreciated and help towards materials, equipment and tools that I use to create projects for this channel. So after you watch this video, check out the link in the description and help support the channel. Cheers!